Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most premium Xbox controllers out there, the Victrix Pro BFG. Known for its high-end features and modular design, let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design. The Victrix Pro BFG strikes a balance between familiarity and innovation. It retains the ergonomic shape of the Xbox controller but adds front-facing textured grips and larger buttons for enhanced comfort and usability. The build quality is exceptional, with a robust feel and stylish accents that set it apart. What sets the Victrix Pro BFG apart is its modular design. It comes with swappable modules including different thumbsticks, D-pads, and even a specialized FightPad module for serious gamers. This customization allows you to tailor the controller to your gaming style, whether you prefer precise inputs or a more traditional layout. In terms of performance, this controller truly shines. The analog sticks are incredibly responsive with a tight dead zone, providing precise control. The mechanical buttons on the FightPad module feel satisfyingly clicky, ideal for games like Street Fighter or Halo Infinite. However, the default sensitivity of the triggers might take some getting used to, though they are customizable with trigger locks. Battery life on the Victrix Pro BFG is solid, offering around 20 hours on a single charge. While not as long-lasting as some competitors, it's more than enough for extended gaming sessions and can be charged via USB-C or used wirelessly with the included dongle. Should you buy the Victrix Pro BFG? Absolutely, if you're looking for a top-tier Xbox controller with unmatched customization and build quality. It's perfect for serious gamers who value performance and flexibility. That wraps up our review of the Victrix Pro BFG for Xbox. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.